Bhavin is asking, what are the different criteria for dropping a column to get clean data for machine learning? There are multiple criteria you could use, and that can depend on your business, but some very common criteria you would see would be like there is a high percentage of missing values in your column. More than 70% data is missing. What is the point of including that column into your data set? Maybe that data in that particular column is redundant, or it has highly correlated column with some other existing columns in your data set, so I would drop it. Or maybe it is having low variability. It is a constant column, like you are collecting data of all the people in US and the column is country. It is always going to stay the same, so there is no point. It is irrelevant. Let's say I am performing some prediction and there is a transaction ID for the banking transaction. So probably it was not required for my output which I am looking for. Or if there is a high cardinality, or it is a categorical column which is having different values which may impact the output which I will generate from the model, probably in that cases I would be dropping those columns. So these are just some examples of when you should be dropping columns in your data set.